Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a relationship between two tables in Microsoft Access. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get data from two tables or more. In this case I have two tables already imported, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open both of these tables up and look for the common element in both of the tables. In this case, as you can see here, presenter ID is in this table as well as the other one. So that's how we know that we can create a relationship between these two tables. To actually create the relationship itself, we're going to have to go to Database Tools, click on Relationships, and then you're going to get this Show Table window. Once the Show Table window pops up, you're going to want to add Exhibit Presenter and Presenters, which are the name of both of the tables on the left. And once you've done that, you're going to close out. So now we have both of the tables showing on the Relationships window. The next thing we're going to want to do to actually create the relationship itself is click on the Edit Relationships button and then go to Create New and select the left table name, which is in this case Exhibit Presenter, and then the right table name, which is Presenters. Once that's done, we need to click on the column names, which in this case will be the common element in both of the tables. So in this case, that would obviously be Presenter ID. So we're going to go through, find Presenter ID on both of them, and click OK. As you can see here, we have the relationship created. All we have to do is hit the Create button to show it on the Relationships window. So we're going to hit Create, and as you can see here, we have a relationship between the two tables through Presenter ID. Thank you.